you have a choice. You have a choice to make. The powerful choice is always with you. You can take a mindful moment and you can shift your energy from hurry to relaxation, from stress to peace, from anger to calmness. This is always in your hand. And this is the power of meditation. Meditation gives you a powerful choice with the help of which you can reduce your stress and anxiety. You can make your day more peaceful. You can make your relationships more peaceful. You can improve your sleep quality, increase your focus, better decision making, and you can add lots of positivity in your life. Now, if you are here for any of these benefits, if you want to add any of these benefits in your life, then let me tell you, meditation and mindfulness is the solution for you. I have been practicing different kinds of meditation for last 7 years, and my life is totally transformed after I practice this. Because earlier I was very much short tempered, workaholic, nothing to do, only work and work. But after I started practicing meditation and becoming aware about my inner world, my inner fears and anger and everything, I am much more able to deliver something, and I'm much more creative person today. Now, the best part about meditation is you keep your attention, you move your attention from too much of future and past to present moment. And when we are in the present moment, we are sane, we are conscious, we are aware. Now, there are total 7 types of meditation, okay, which we have learned over the last 7 years, which we aim to deliver to you, and let you know the benefits of each. The first one is active meditation, a very dynamic kind of a meditation, which helps to release suppressed energy, releases restlessness, becoming a witness, and free flow body movements. So this active meditation is very much somatic based, because we use a lot of our body in order to release out all the suppressed energy like anger, frustration, stress, and restlessness. Second meditation is Anapana meditation. Very easy but very effective also, and you can practice anytime. The best time to do this meditation is during while doing your cooking, while doing some small activities at home. You can practice Anapana meditation anytime, because it is breathe awareness, and breathing is something you do 24/7, right? Rather, breathing happens 24/7. You don't do breathing, okay? It is something which happens naturally to us. Then becoming present and still, very very important. Detach from past and future, and increase in focus. So these are the advantages of Anapana meditation. The next meditation is body scanning meditation. The one we did right at the start just now was a body scan meditation. It's a somatic awareness. What is somatic? Somatic is something which is body based, is connected to the body. It is required to divert our attention. Let me tell you a rule of energy. All of you are listening to me, just note it down in your mind. Wherever the attention goes, energy flows. Simple. Wherever attention goes, energy flows. So if you want to divert your attention from your mind in order to make it calm, just divert it into the body by using body scan meditation. It helps you for releasing pains and aches like back pain or muscle pain. I see it is a kind of a gentle healing that we offer to our body. Now, next meditation is letting go meditation. This is one of my favorite meditation, which I keep doing every single day whenever I get free time. Why? Because we get we get anger, we get stress, we get fear. So letting go meditation helps you in releasing all of this. It helps to release the pendulum of mind. Our mind is in either two states, either sometimes in the future or sometimes in the past. It is in a pendulum state. So when you do letting go meditation, you let go of the pendulum or the polarities of the mind, and you bring the mind in your present moment. So this is letting go. Of course, it helps you to become still, and it helps you, gives you a nourishment via silence. It helps you in deep silence nourishment. Next meditation is sound meditation. This is very much beneficial for those who are using lot of who are attending lot of conference calls, lot of meetings over headphone and all, because sound meditation helps you to increase sharpness. It helps you to become sensitive to sounds. It improves your listening skills, because moment you consciously listen to sounds, your listening capabilities increase. It helps you for deep focus and attention. This is one of my practice, one of my deep practice I used to do when I was working in corporate, because I was a business analyst. I used to do a lot of back and forth between business team and development team. So I used to practice sound meditation in a conference call, silently sitting and just noticing the sounds in the call. That was my favorite activity. The next meditation is heart math meditation. You can see on the image, I'll explain you from the image, the diagram. You will see the two diagrams there, the incoherent, the red one, and the coherent, the green one. The red one, what it is indicating, the times when you are stressful, anxious, fearful, there is an incoherent communication between your heart and brain. Actually, they are not talking with each other correctly. But when you're coherent, when you're peaceful, positive, and relaxed, automatically heart sends positive signals to your brain, and it helps you to quickly achieve coherence. Positive vibration starts coming out of you. People start feeling your good vibes. You must have read, only good vibes, only good vibes. This is the way to generate those good vibes. You create heart and brain connection, and it helps you to create intuitive and creative talents. Automatically some new abilities come through you. The last meditation is visualization meditation. Those who want to practice law of attraction, success mindset and all, for them this is a highly recommended meditation. It will help you to connect your best self. It will help you to release the limits which you have put up on yourself, expand connections, and true potential you can activate for yourself. So this is visualization meditation. I'm taking a quick 1 minute to help you explain and show how we have implemented this in multiple MNC organization and top corporates. Mastech Limited is one of our top corporate client, where we implement different kind of active meditation using Tai Chi, meditative dance, and we explain them breathing, moving, connecting different components of Tai Chi. These are the certain Tai Chi movements that we teach to corporate. Then Rico Industries, a manufacturing company, where we conducted a session on physical and emotional health with meditation and mindfulness tools for around 120 employees. Where we explain physical and emotional well-being, and many participants could connect to that very well. So we teach different techniques, then online programs for Women's Day, some meditation and mindfulness techniques. Again, as you can see, the employees are relaxing, standing wherever they are working, and experiencing that one present moment. Such a powerful tool to practice and be relaxed and focused. So these are just some of our work which we have done in different corporates.